Mastering modal verbs in passive sentences. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're going to delve deeper into the world of modal verbs. Our main focus will be on using modal verbs in passive sentences. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to create and comprehend a variety of passive sentences using modal verbs. Let's get started. Remember, a modal verb is a type of auxiliary verb that expresses necessity, ability, permission, or possibility. Examples include can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, and would. A passive sentence is a sentence where the subject undergoes the action rather than doing it. For instance, the book was read by me is a passive sentence. When we combine these, we get sentences like, the book must be read by me. Here, must is the modal verb and be read forms the passive part. Before we dive into the assignments, let's practice with a few examples. 1. The rules can be followed by everyone. 2. The cake should be eaten soon before it goes bad. 3. The report must be completed by Friday. As you can see, the pattern is modal verb plus be plus past participle. Keep this formula in mind when you are writing your sentences. Now it's your turn to practice. Here are some writing assignments. 1. Write 5 sentences using the modal verb can in the passive voice. 2. Write 5 sentences using the modal verb must in the passive voice. 3. Write a paragraph about a day at the zoo using at least 3 different modal verbs in passive sentences. Remember, practice is key. The more you practice using these modal verbs in passive sentences, the more natural it will feel. And that's a wrap on using modal verbs in passive sentences. I hope this video has helped clear up any confusion and given you the tools you need to succeed. Keep practicing, keep writing, and most importantly, have fun while you're learning. See you in our next video. Happy learning, everyone!